All right, everybody, this is a monumental moment in our Python journey. We are moving on to learning how to execute Python code with text editors. And this will help us to write larger programs, and we can essentially do anything we need to with a text editor, running scripts from text files as opposed to idle or the shell, the Python shell, like we have been doing up to this point in the course. So we can write some Python code, we can save the file, we can edit it later, and we can run it. So how we run Python scripts with text files is just a few simple steps, and we will demonstrate these. We want to save a Python file, first of all, with the extension .py. So myscript.py, for example. And that lets our systems know that it's a Python file. And it also lets us know that it's a Python file. We then want to open a terminal or command prompt, depending on if we are on Mac or Windows. I will show some examples of both. Then let's navigate to the directory where our Python script is located within terminal or command prompt so that we can execute the script from the location where it is. And then on the terminal or command prompt, we will type simply Python followed by the name of our script file, which will have that .py extension. And then we'll hit enter, and that will run the script. One note is if we have both Python 2 and Python 3 installed on our system, or we have various different Python versions and we want to run a script with a certain version, we can specify by modifying this to be Python 2 or Python 3 or Python 3.11, etc. We can modify that, and that will invoke that specific Python interpreter.